Look at it. Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, bet. Yeah.
There's your ignition. And there's your
Got
starter
that
button.
big boy in the back. Yes, sir. Ooh, okay.
I like how you got that paint.
Yeah, that's what.
Look how dirty it is. I got rid of that belt drive shit, put a chain sprocket on it.
All right, so what we doing?
Right here's your ignition,
Okay.
and there's your starter button.
All right.
Gotta mash in that clutch, because if this fucker's in gear, it will fire and mow right down this one.
Oh. All right, bet. Ooh. What we doing? What I'm doing wrong?
Nothing. Just sitting there.
Oh.
Right at the throttle.
Oh man. Yeah.
Oh, right here.
That big.
Oh yeah. Hey, this bit hard though. Okay. Hey man, look, we ain't going that far. I just want to show y'all this raw ass chopper. I ain't never rode one of these before. But we sliding though, look at me. Check me out though. Hey, this bitch coming with some power now. Hey. Hey, okay then. I like it though. It's different. Hey, this bitch so different, but I feel the power on him. Hey. I fuck with it. I see why they be on these things. Why they be just cooling for real. Stop playing. And they got a big boy tire on the back, man. This thing raw. Hey. Well, I'm about to wheel it up. I wonder how much power it got on it. Hey, this thing hard though. I like it. It's for sale right now, $1,400 to the biggest bidder. Whoever can take it can, whoever can control it can take it home. Oh, that's my turn right there. But yeah, man, we just vibing on this thing. I ain't never rode no chopper. This is my first time. It's different. Just sit back and cruise for real. Hey, what y'all think, man? I don't even think my camera set up at the right angle, but you know, it is what it is. We got that big boy tire on the back, but it's bit heavy metal. Oh, I'm ass. Heavy metal. All right, we turning right. I gotta let the people behind me know. I love it. Well, I feel like a man. This thing make you feel like a man. Put some hair on your chest. Hey. Yes, sir.
Just a cruiser.
Yeah, hey, it's nice though.
Yeah.
What how much power it got on it?
Huh?
How much power is it?
That's probably only 60 horse motor.
60 horse? What how many cc's?
It's 1400 cc.
Okay, yeah, this thing heavy, man.
Yeah.
I like it though.
Yeah. I've been riding it a long time. I got 4 Harleys. I don't have no use for them all.
Gotcha. You be going to bike night?
No, I don't go. I
Nah.
don't take it up there.
Yeah, man. I ain't never rode a Harley. This is my first time ever being on a chopper.
Yeah.
You can tell.
It cruises. Fucking go down the interstate 80 mile an hour and let go of the wheel and just sit there and cruise all day long.
Dang. Yeah, I like this thing, man.
Yeah, it's been good, like.
Yes, sir.
No oil leaks. Got rid of the belt drive shit on it.
Yeah.
Chain on it.
Dang. Yes, sir. I appreciate you. Oh, yeah.